Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to export Figma prototype to video. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Begin by navigating to the Figma website and signing into your account. After signing in, locate your desired project. You can find it in your list of projects within the Figma dashboard. Click on your project's thumbnail or open it directly from a saved link. Once your project is open, move your attention to the bottom of the screen and click on Actions. This expands a menu with several project management options. From here, select the Plugins and Widgets tab. This section provides access to a variety of tools that extend Figma's functionality, including those designed for exporting prototypes as videos or GIFs. In the Plugins and Widgets section, search for a plugin by typing Export to GIF/video in the search bar. As you type, available options will appear. Click on the correct plugin once you find it. Running this plugin will begin the process of converting your prototype into a video or animated GIF. At this point, the plugin might ask you to verify your email. Once the tool is active, select the specific prototype or frame you want to export. Double-check that your design looks exactly how you want it to appear in the final video. Then return to the plugin interface and click Export. The plugin will now process your design and generate a downloadable video from your Figma prototype. And that's it. So that's how you can export Figma prototype to video. So that's all for this video. Thanks.